How to add more clock faces on your Amazfit smartwatch or the Amaz smartwatch here. This is the Balance model here. And of course, if you have something similar, you'll first need to get the Zipp app here. Okay, so what I'm talking about is this app here in particular. Once you have your phone connected to your smartwatch, you'll want to also install this app. This is going to give you access to different items. So most likely you'll start off from the home page here, which will look like this here. You'll have the home. Okay, you'll have this right here. Then to get access to more clock faces, to the bottom, you'll see profiles, so go to that. Once you enter into the profile section here, you're gonna see all these different options. You'll start from the very top, you'll see your profile name, your ID number, all that stuff there. Then you'll see where it says watch faces. So as you go here, it's gonna load up, and you can now browse through all the paid ones, all the free ones. It's up to you to make that selection here. So once you select one of them, if it's free, it'll say free. And when you select it, it's going to have the sync option for you. I'll go ahead and pick it for you just to show you how it works. So I'll press sync here. It's going to show you this. Then on your watch here, it's going to load up on your watch like that. Okay. And now you'll have that same clock face on your watch all the time, even though you don't have it connected to the phone or the app itself. And if you want another one, once again, you'll just go down, look for the free ones. All the free ones are actually very cool. Unless you really want to spend money, that's up to you. But all the free ones are really cool here, okay? So like this one here, okay, when you see it, just sync. It'll install for you, enabling, and then you'll see it's gonna appear on your smartwatch. It'll say successfully installed, and that's gonna happen here. And then now you can come back and long press it, okay? And then you can also go back and find the others that you recently installed on your smartwatch. So if this guide helped you out in any way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.